Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that I'm sure a lot of you are interested in, whether Smartsheet is better than Excel. Before we get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to define what we mean by better. In this context, we're going to be looking at a number of factors, including ease of use. How easy is it to learn and use the software? Features. What features does the software offer? Collaboration. How well does the software support collaboration? Cost. How much does the software cost? With that in mind, let's get started. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based collaboration platform that can be used for a variety of tasks, including project management, task management, and workflow management. It is a very powerful tool that offers a wide range of features, including drag-and-drop interface. This makes it easy to create and customize sheets. Gantt charts. These are a great way to visualize project timelines. Forms. These can be used to collect data from users. Workflows. These can be used to automate tasks. Integrations. Smartsheet integrates with a number of other popular tools, such as Slack, Jira, and Salesforce. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet application that is used for a wide variety of tasks, including financial analysis, data management, and budgeting. It is a very powerful tool that offers a wide range of features, including formulas and functions. These can be used to perform complex calculations. Pivot tables. These can be used to summarize and analyze data. Charts and graphs. These can be used to visualize data. Macros. These can be used to automate tasks. VBA. This is a programming language that can be used to create custom functions and macros. Ease of use. Smartsheet is generally considered to be easier to use than Excel. This is because it has a more user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop functionality. Excel can be more difficult to learn, especially if you are not familiar with spreadsheets. Features. Smartsheet offers a wider range of features than Excel. This includes features such as Gantt charts, workflows, and integrations. Excel also offers a wide range of features, but it may not be as well suited for certain tasks, such as project management. Collaboration. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform, which means that it is easy to collaborate with others. Excel can also be used for collaboration, but it can be more difficult to share and collaborate on spreadsheets. Cost. Smartsheet is a paid subscription service, while Excel is included with Microsoft Office. This means that Smartsheet can be more expensive than Excel, depending on your needs. So, is Smartsheet better than Excel? The answer is, it depends on your needs. If you are looking for a powerful and easy-to-use tool for project management, then Smartsheet may be a good choice. If you are looking for a more affordable option, or if you are already familiar with Excel, then Excel may be a better choice. Ultimately, the best way to decide which tool is right for you is to try them both out and see which one you prefer. Additional tips. If you are new to Smartsheet, I recommend watching some tutorials to get started. If you are new to Excel, I recommend taking a course or reading a book on Excel. Consider your needs carefully before making a decision. I hope this video has helped you to decide whether Smartsheet is better than Excel. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.